Hi guys, Rajat here from rajatnegi.com, and in this video we will see how to share assets of Google and Facebook. And if you are new to here, then do consider the subscribe button so that you never misses a video from my YouTube channel, and you see how I use AI and ads for the e-commerce industry. Right. So my main three niches are AI, performance marketing like paid ads, and reporting and e-commerce, right? So let's start with Google Assets. I have written 5 assets of Google, which you need to share to that person who will be doing digital marketing on your behalf, right? First is Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Google Tag Manager, Google Search Console, and Google Analytics, right? So let's open Google Search Console first, right? So this is my Google Search Console account, right? So to share, uh, let's say I need to share the assets to gmail.com. So this is the person to whom I will be sharing the asset, right? So I need to provide the access to on this email account, right? So what I will do, I will just come over here in the user settings, right? Uh, yeah, click on settings. On the left bottom side, you will see as column name settings. Then in the user and permission, what I will do, I will click on add user, and what I will do, I will write the email address of that person to whom I want to share the assets, right? So it can be owner, full, restricted. So since he will be managing all the activities for me, he will be seeing the keywords on which my website is ranking, so I need to share the full assets, right? I will click on add, and that user will be added over here, right? So let me just refresh it. Okay, so Google Search Console, we are done with Google Search Console, right? After that, what I will do, it is Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager के लिए you need to come to admin section. This admin section में uh, an option is there, user management. You need to click on that, and in the user management, what you need to do, you need to add user, and you need to enter the same email ID on which you will be sending access, right? And give the administrator access, right? So that, yeah, yeah, so it will be administrator access. Publish. Okay, right? And then you need to enter that email, right? Once you are done, you need to click on invite. The invitation will be sent from your side to that person, right? So we are done with Google Tag Manager as well. Now let's come to Google Analytics. So Google Analytics के लिए, they on the left hand side, on the left bottom side, there is admin. You need to click on that admin. Admin में there is an option account access management. Account, after clicking on account access management, you need to click on this plus icon, this plus icon. Yeah, so this is the plus icon. Click on add users, and then you need to give administrator role, and then you need to enter the email ID of that same person, and then you need to click on add, right? So this way your analytics will also be shared with the person, right? And merchant center के लिए, what you need to do, merchant center में, merchant center is essentially important for those people who are actually running a D2C brand, right? Merchant center के लिए, what you need to do, you need to click on settings, you need to click on access and services, and then you need to add a person over here. Click on add person, enter the email ID, and click on next. So the invitation will be sent to that person, right? And for the Google Ads, what you need to do, you need to click on admin may click on access and security, users, and users may you need to click on this plus icon and then enter the same email ID, access expire never, and click on admin, and then you need to send the invitation, right? So this way you need to share the assets, right? Now we are done with Google Assets. Now let's go to Facebook Assets as well. So for Facebook, what you need to do, you need to open business.facebook.com, right? Once you open business.facebook.com, once you open this window will open for you, right? So now to share the assets of Facebook, there are two ways. Let's say this is the person Appu. I want this person to do the digital marketing part on my behalf, right? So it can be done with Appu on his personal email, right? So this way my business Appu will coordinate, right? The second way to share the assets, that Appu's business to my business. Let's say Appu's business name is ABC Limited, ABC Marketing Limited, and my business name is okay. So what I need to do, I need to share the assets of rajatnegi.com. Assets of rajatnegi.com will be shared with ABC Marketing Limited, with the company ABC Marketing Limited, and the person or the people which are under the ABC Marketing Limited, those person, Appu is there, right? Chiku, these persons are under this company ABC Marketing Limited. So these person can access the assets of rajatnegi.com, right? So let's say I want to share to the personal email ID of Appu, then I need to have his email, right? What I will do, I will just open the business.facebook.com. I will come to people. So I am inviting a person to my company. So this is the company, rajatnegi.com. This is the company, and these are the people who are working under this company, right? So I am inviting those people, those person to my company. So what I will do, I will write his email, right? Then I will click on next. I will give full control access. Now I need to assign the assets. So I want him to manage the ads on my behalf. So what I will do, I will select my page, Facebook page is we need to have a Facebook page if we want to run ads, because from page itself the ads are running, right? And then we will come to ad account. I will select my ad account, select the ad account. I will also come to catalog. So catalog, I will randomly select a catalog. So catalog is for those guys who are running a D2C brand, because catalog may your website product will be listed, your website product will automatically come, and the person who is running ads on your behalf will see how many products are there on our website, and meanwhile he can also change the things for Facebook as well, as per the product. Like I want to create a new set for the product. From all the products, I want to create a low inventory product set and I want to run ads on that. So I will go to catalog section, I will create a new product set, and on that set I will run the ads, because I have a high inventory of those products, right? And then I will also click on, so catalog, after clicking on catalog I will give I will toggle this on, manage everything, and after that I will click on pixel. I will give the pixel data as well. I will click on next, and I will click on invite with 4 assets, right? So this way I have shared the assets from a business to persona. So this way we call it as business to persona, right? Let's say, yeah, let's say I want to share the assets with another business, and under that business we will have persons. So what I will do, I will ask the business ID of another business to whom to that to whom I want to share the assets, right? So they have a business ID. From where they can get the business ID? They can get it from here. Yeah. So they need to come on business manager. Once they are into business manager, then they will see a 16-digit ID. This one, 132418. It is in the link, but it is here as well. 13, this one, this ID, right? So you need to copy this ID, right? Every business ID has its own unique ID. So the person like ABC Marketing Limited, they will also have their ABC Marketing Limited. They will also have their business ID. I will get their ID and copy their ID, and I will come to partner section, right? I will come to partner section. I will give a partner access to your assets. I will click on this, and then I will enter the and then I will enter the partner ID, right? After entering the partner ID, I will click on next, and in the same process I will select the assets like Facebook page, Facebook ad account, Facebook catalog, Facebook pixel, and I will click on invite. So this way I can share the assets. Hope you got my point how I can share the assets. If you still have any doubt, you can comment right below the video, and I will be happy to help you. Till then, bye bye.